So a number of staff have contacted me and said they're having issues accessing BCBC Citrix Cloud from home. This little video is just like a sort of baseline thing just to get everything up and running and working to a certain level. One of the main things you've got to make sure is you've got the updated version of Citrix Workspace. So Citrix Workspace is now taken over from Citrix Receiver. I think probably a number of staff on their personal laptops may have the old version of Citrix Receiver installed, so that needs to be uninstalled. But when you install Workspace, it does automatically remove the old Citrix Receiver for you. So I'm going to show you quick how to access it, where to go. So pop online. Going to do a search, Citrix Workspace, and click on that link there. There you are, Citrix Workspace app 1911 for Windows. Click on that one. Click download Citrix Workspace app for Windows. Establishing a secure connection. Now this is either an issue with using Chrome web browser, or it just could be our school internet. But sometimes you might need to click again on there, and there we go. So download is starting. It's only a small file, 129 megabytes the size. You could fast forward this bit if you wanted to. I suppose I could sing a song. Okay, awesome. So once it's downloaded and finishes flashing, click, run. Start, accept, next. Leave enable sign on. Leave enable single sign on unclicked. Install. And that's it. I'm not going to show you any more because the rest of it is just like next, 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 and then OK and finish. It might prompt you to restart your PC or laptop. Okay.